Hello everyone, this is Catalina from Catalina's Visions. It's a sadness to see how, someone can be with you right now and just left us. And it's a way to show, to value someone while they're there. So I know a lot of people got affected by this death, Mikaban families, like all the fans, even if someone didn't even know him, when you see the way that the gentleman passed away, you will be sad about it. It's a way to show you we all are nothing, and just like that we can leave the world. Learn to appreciate, to love one another, to appreciate people next to you. If you want to do something right now, do it, because tomorrow is not promised. Nobody would say that gentleman wouldn't be here with us. Like today. So you all who knows that you're disrespecting each other, you're supposed to be an example to people, to your family, friends. You cannot befriend your drinking with your friend, especially you. I'm talking to you in the music industry. You cannot be your friend. You cannot be hanging out with your friends and then you cursing at their mothers. You guys have to start showing respect to one another. Appreciate the life God gave you. You're supposed to influence the world in a positive way. I see with my eyes you and with your friends have an argument and then you cursing up, jouer maman lot, tu ne pas get respect une pour l'autre. Nous supposed to be example pour tout haïtien, especially ça qui pas connaît mieux yo. Parce que tout ça nous fait suivre yo, y a fait plus mal. Et c'est là pour nous habituer, pour nous apprendre, pour nous apologize, pour nous say sorry to one another when you did something wrong to them. Make sure you show respect to your partners, to your friends, that you know that you disrespect them in a way that is delicate. You don't curse at the mother's friend like that. You have to show respect to one another. I hope you know your places. You are important in the Haitian community as a musician, and you're supposed to, earn your place by showing respect in the social media and everywhere you go, because people are following your footsteps. Whatever you do negative, a lot of people can be affected by that and do the same way. So while I was saying my condolences to the families, I have to take the opportunity to say that to you guys, because you have to show. If it was one of you who fell down, you would see how you would cry for that friend. So show respect from now on. I love you all. This is Catalina from Catalina's Visions. See you next time.